For creating YouTube live stream on your mobile phone, which is better? StreamYard or YouTube default livestream in Chrome? For their comparison, watch till the end. Welcome to Brain Friz, Alam Nia, Alam Morin. For today's Kalaman, we'll do a comparison for StreamYard and YouTube livestream. By the way, mega love shout out to Renren29, thank you for your support. If you want me to shout out you, then comment down below your insights about this video. The greatest and most compelling benefit of live streaming is that audiences ingest content and your own, not theirs. This means you're only interacting with people who are interested in you and your company, as well as people who find your content to be incredibly useful. You're automatically sending content to people who are more likely to convert and continue to follow you. First, StreamYard is a platform where you can broadcast on your browser through social networks. StreamYard lets you broadcast via YouTube, Facebook Live, LinkedIn Live, Periscope or Twitch, on both personal and business profiles pages. It will assist in reaching a wider audience across several channels, thus increasing exposure and resulting in more views for YouTube livestream only. But you can access a wide audience in YouTube via notifications on the followers. Second, StreamYard free version. This package allows you to broadcast for free for up to 20 hours a month. Your live streams so feature StreamYard branding, but you'll need to pay for other tools. YouTube livestream is free. Since the videos are live, there are no multiple takes or post-production costs added to your budget. Third, create your streams with more participants. You can have up to 6 people in the stream with StreamYard. Via debates and interviews, you'll boost the quality of your content while also expanding your audience. YouTube livestream has only one participant on screen, only the host. Also, she can interact with the audience. Fourth, you don't need to download any tool to use StreamYard. Fully personalize your streaming, you can add your business or personal brand logo, change the background and much more. YouTube livestream is lack of tools. Their similarities. What makes YouTube and StreamYard the best live video streaming platform is that there is no need for an elaborate production or a lot of equipment. With just a smartphone and decent internet service, you can easily go live anywhere. The monetization of live videos. Both holds the trump card that is easy monetization of the live videos, connecting with your audience and followers. That's for all. Even though they have advantages and disadvantages, it's up to you if what platform will you use.